Hello viewers, welcome to SS tutorial. Our beautiful earth is formed about 4.5 billion years ago from today. Initially it was in a gaseous state. Over time it changes into liquid state and then it turns into solid state. Presently our earth is in solid state. But is it solid completely? The answer will be no. Our earth is solid only from the outside. But if we go into the inside of the earth, then we will obviously observe that earth is in liquid state yet now. Volcanic activities make sure about this. There is huge pressure and temperature in the earth's interior, which means due to excessive heat and temperature in the earth's interior, rocks are in liquid state. These liquid rocks or molten rocks are known as magma. And when this magma comes out into the earth's surface, then it is termed as lava. When you listen about lava, then you may likely to think about rivers of hot molten rocks flowing over the earth's surface. When lavas are flows, then you may observe that some lavas are flowing quickly and some lavas are flowing slowly. Do you know why this happens? This happens due to viscosity of lava. Now you may have a question that what is viscosity? Viscosity is the measure of how quickly a liquid can flow. The liquid having high viscosity can't flow quickly, but the liquid having low viscosity can flow quickly. On the basis of viscosity and silica content, lava can be classified into two types. They are basic lava and acidic lava. Today in this video, we will know in details about basic lava and acidic lava. So let's begin. Basic lava is also known as basaltic lava, as basalt rock is made by basic lava. These types of lava have low viscosity, so it flows rapidly. Speed is around 10 to 30 miles per hour. So it travels greater distances before getting solid. This lava is enriched in iron and magnesium but poor in silica. Only 45 to 55% silica is present in this type of lava. That's why this is also termed as mafic lava. These types of lava is dark in color as it has high concentration of ferromagnesium minerals. Basic lava is the hottest lava. Temperature is around 1200 degrees centigrade. It has high density and low melting point. Generally, basic lava emerges gently from the divergent plate boundary or any fracture of the earth crust. That means basic lava emerges without explosion or with less explosive activity. These types of lava flow you may find in the Mid-Atlantic Oceanic Ridge, as Mid-Atlantic Oceanic Ridge is situated on the divergent plate boundary. Basic lava builds gently sloping cones. Mauna Loa is an example of shield volcano. Shield volcanoes are made up of basic lava. Though Mauna Loa is not situated over the divergent plate boundary, it is situated over the hotspot. Let's know about acidic lava. Acidic lava have high viscosity, so it flows slowly. That's why it can't travel far distances. Acidic lavas are light in color and have low density. Temperature of this type of lava ranges between 800 degrees centigrade to 1200 degrees centigrade. It has high silica content and high viscosity, so it has required high amount of temperature to melt. Acidic lava erupted violently. It means when acidic lava is erupted through any volcanic vent, explosion occurs. These types of lava can be found in the convergent plate boundary, where two plates move towards each other, so it makes steep-sided volcanic cones. Stratovolcanoes are made up of acidic lava. Mount Etna is an example of stratovolcano. On the basis of silica content and temperature, acidic lava also may be classified into two types. One is rhyolitic lava and other is andesitic lava. Rhyolitic lava has higher amount of silica content. Silica content of rhyolitic lavas are about 65 to 75%. It has low temperature. Temperature ranges between 750 degrees centigrade to 850 degrees centigrade. Viscosity of rhyolitic lava ranges between 1 million and 100 million times more than water. Due to high viscosity, these types of lava can't move faster. Rhyolitic lava is characterized by high explosive lava. These types of lava produce ashfalls and pyroclastic flow. Andesitic lava have intermediate amount of silica content and temperature. Silica content of andesitic lava is about 55 to 65% and temperature ranges between 800 degrees centigrade to 1000 degrees centigrade. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.